Luminous laundry hangs on washing lines on houseboats, as if it is a summer day in Amsterdam. The cheerful collection of t-shirts, underwear, pants and dresses are slightly larger than normal to be clearly visible. There are also some special items of clothing, such as Turkish white pants, a traditional Jewish dress, or a Moroccan jaleba. Together, these pieces represent the cultural and ethnic mix of the residents of the city. With this, the artist hopes to send a positive message to the world. Sergey Kim is a graphic designer, industrial designer, and also works with 3D models. Sergey lives in New York and was the first to develop luminous bicycle tires in 2016. So he likes to integrate light into an existing object. It's just like you see here. The t-shirts and shirts were sponsored by Dutch-Danish clothing brand that makes clothing from a fabric that cannot get dirty and that you cannot sweat either. They do this by combining silver in the fabric and by making the fabric with moisture wicking technology. This ensures that water is repelled and that the inside distributes moisture as well as possible so that it is not visible on the outside.